there, Tiny Groovers. My name is Lightning. Are you ready to let the sun shine in? Let's groove. We're gonna start by crossing our arms and then tapping our knees. We clap twice, we bring our hands up, and we shake, shake, shake. Awesome. Now we're gonna go walking. In the park, we're gonna hop, skip, and jump. We put our feet apart. We bring our knees up, nice and high, and then raise our hands up and wave them to the sky. Awesome, guys, great job. I think we're ready to try it with the music. Let's do it. Here we go. And cross, cut, shake. And again. Cross, cut, shake, 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 shake. Good job, Tiny Groovers. Yeah. All right, ready to go walking in the park. Here we go. And let's walk. Get ready to hop. Hop, skip, jump. Feet apart. Bring your knees up. That's it. And then raise our hands up. Wave them to the sky. Great job, Tiny Groovers. Woohoo! Good job.